All right, in this video, we got some stuff from some lights from rough country. They go up on the hood. They bolt on where the hood bolts on at, and these weird, funky brackets like this. And let me show you. That's the lights. I guess you've seen the model number. I'm not sure. Anyway, let me get these out of this box and show you a little bit better. Okay, first let me show you. This is something I was trying to explain to somebody else. You see these connectors? Hopefully you can see that in there. No dielectric grease. Now you can put some, but you don't want to put a lot, because when you plug in the male side of this connector, all that grease has got to go somewhere, and it could break these connectors. Possibly. See the male side of the connector, how it has this seal? That seals it pretty much. You don't need to worry about water getting in it. Just wanted to point that out. You don't really need a whole lot of dielectric grease. I've seen people fill up this whole cavity with dielectric grease, and then you can barely get the connector in there and get it plugged in. It's not needed. All right, we're going to install the passenger side bracket first, so let's get to it. Let's see. All right, I'm over here on the driver's side now. I had to tweak the passenger side. I'll show you in just a minute. But let's take this off. I really like the way that hood moves around like that. Let's see if I got to tweak this bracket like I did the other one. I hope not. Let's see. Should be able to get it to go under that windshield washer hose. Well, okay, I got them both installed. You just go over to factory studs. I probably should have marked that a little so I can put the hood back in the right place. But there they are right there. where the lights mount. Let's walk over here to the other side. Show you this one. Let's see. You can see how that is up there. Let me see if I can zoom in some. Just bolts to the hood mounts. And this one here was kind of close, hitting the hood and hitting here. I don't know what's up with that. I don't really like that. And I don't like the idea of having to remove the hood or take the nuts off and the hood move, because then you got to realign everything. That was a pain in the butt. It still ain't really exactly right, but I don't remember if it was like that to begin with. So anyway, let me get the lights and try to put them on. Okay, I got the light installed on there on both of them. Obviously, I don't have them hooked up yet. I haven't ran the wires. That'll be next, I suppose. That'll be fun, right? Now, I got them mounted. Hopefully you can see this. I know it's bright out here. I can't see it in the camera, but I got them mounted even with the bracket. And it's pointing way, as you can see, way off to the left. And this one over here is pointing way off to the right, as you can see. And you can see this one a little bit better. I mean, they are supposed to be ditch lights. They're not supposed to light up in front of you. And I wish these manufacturers, when they supply the hardware, like the bolts and nuts and washers and all that, why can't they supply the right size? I don't know what size that was, but 14 is too big, 9/16 is too small. So I don't know. It's not standard or metric. And then when you tighten them up, the wrench gets hung on there because it's too big, and it halfway rounds off the nut. I don't get that. Use some proper mounting hardware, people. Come on now. Well, hopefully you can see this because it's really bright out. Up there is the ditch lights or hood lights, whatever you want to call them. See it go off. Come over here to this side. See it come on. This is awesome right here. I still got to put the labels on here to label what the buttons are, but I got to install some more stuff. So anyway, hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.